Tropical gardens are no longer exclusive to tropical areas. Many gardeners in colder climates are adopting the tropical garden design, which is possible through careful choice of plants and flowers. The main feature include plants with very large leaves, vegetation that builds in height towards the back of the garden, creating a dense garden. The large plants and small trees hang over the garden, leaving sunlight to hit the ground directly. Contrary to common belief, growing banana trees is not that difficult and allow people to enjoy their own bananas. Also, those plants can be used as windbreaks. They need fertile soil, large mulch or materials such as decaying leaves, bark, or compost spread around or over a plant to enrich or insulate the soil and organic matter. With ideal temperature of 26 to 30 degrees Celsius, inside glass houses like found in Bergaten Botanical Gardens is a good way to grow tropical plants in a colder climate. Herman Wendland was a German botanist and gardener. He was recognized palm tree expert and bred one of the world's largest palm collections in Europe, the South American palm genus Wendlandiella, is named after him, that found in Peru, Bolivia, and Acre State in Brazil. More palms he collected on his research trip in 1856 to 1857 through Central America. He described and named over 130 species in his time. Edward Friedrich Poeppig was a German botanist, zoologist, and explorer. He is best known for his numerous scientific exploration in South America between 1826 and 1832. He found the largest water lily, Victoria amazonica. The species has very large leaves, up to 3 meters or 10 feet in diameter, that floats on the water surface on a submerged stalk, 7 to 8 meters or 23 to 26 feet in length. The species was once called Victoria regia after Queen Victoria, but the name was superseded. Victoria amazonica is native to the shallow waters of the Amazon River basin such as oxbow lakes and bayous.